Hello everyone. Welcome to English StoryCraft. This is the place where stories and learning English come together. We'll share fun stories that will help you with your English. So, get ready to listen, enjoy, and learn. Let's start our story time.
Charlotte's driving lessons. The sun was setting, casting a warm, golden hue over the quiet streets of the neighborhood. It was the perfect setting for Charlotte's first driving lesson. She had been eagerly awaiting this moment since she turned 16 and had received her learner's permit. Her dad, a seasoned driver, had taken on the role of her instructor. His calm demeanor was a perfect counterbalance to Charlotte's mix of excitement and nervousness. The lesson began with a basic overview of the car's functions: the clutch, the brakes, the accelerator, and the various dials and switches. Charlotte listened attentively, trying to absorb every detail. Once they started, she gripped the steering wheel a little too tightly. Her initial attempts were marked by sudden brakes and jerky starts. Every mistake heightened her anxiety, and she could sense her confidence waning. Sensing her distress, her dad said,
"Every driver, no matter how experienced, started right where you are now. Making mistakes is a part of learning."
Taking a deep breath, Charlotte tried to relax. She practiced simple maneuvers, starting and stopping, making turns, and even parallel parking. With each successful move, her confidence grew, and her movements became more fluid. However, the real test came when they ventured onto the main road. The traffic, the signals, and the multitude of rules were overwhelming. At one junction, a car honked impatiently behind her, making Charlotte's heart race. But, with her dad's steady guidance, she managed. By the end of the drive, she had not only learned the basics of driving but had also understood the importance of patience and perseverance. Over the next few weeks, Charlotte continued her lessons, both with her dad and at a local driving school. There were challenges, of course, but she tackled them with determination. And then, the day of her driving test arrived. With all her training and practice behind her, Charlotte drove confidently, executing each maneuver with precision. And when the examiner handed her the pass certificate, her joy knew no bounds. She realized that driving, much like life, was about navigating challenges with patience, learning from mistakes, and moving forward with determination.
Thanks for joining us today at English StoryCraft. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Each story is a step closer to mastering English. See you next time.